correct measurement of length, certain precautions are to be taken during measurement of length. Place the ruler along the length you wish to measure, as close to the length as possible. If the end of the ruler is broken or if 0 mark is not visible, the next full mark should be used instead of 0 and this value should be subtracted from the reading. The eye must be exactly above the point where the measurement is to be taken. Spherical mirrors. A spherical mirror is a part of a sphere whose reflecting surface is curved inwards and faces towards the center of the sphere, is called a concave mirror. A spherical mirror whose reflecting surface is curved outwards is called a convex mirror. Mirror formula and magnification. A negative sign in the value of the magnification indicates that the image is real. A positive sign in the value of the magnification indicates that the image is virtual. The height of the image should be taken as positive for virtual images. However, it is to be taken as negative for real images. Displacement, the shortest distance measured from the initial to the final position of an object, is known as their displacement. Displacement is a vector quantity. Charging by rubbing. When an inflated balloon is rubbed with a woolen fabric, the balloon gets charged. The charged balloon attracts paper pieces. Two charged balloons repel, and one charged balloon and another balloon, which is not charged, gets attracted each other. Electroscope. The device which is used to test whether an object is carrying charge or not is known as electroscope. Tsunami. Due to the tectonic movements, earthquake occurs under the ocean floor. This causes major earthquake. The sliding of land displaces huge quantity of water and that forms huge waves. These waves move very fast towards the shore and cause damages. Wavelength, amplitude, time period and frequency of a sound. The number of oscillations per second is called the frequency of oscillation. Frequency is expressed in Hertz. Its symbol is Hz. A frequency of 1 Hz is 1 oscillation per second. Physical and chemical changes. The different stages of water are examples for physical changes. Ice melts to form water, and water boils, and evaporates into the gaseous stage, called water vapor. Photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide from air is taken in through the tiny pores present on the surface of the leaves. These pores are surrounded by guard cells. Such pores are called stomata. Water and minerals present in the soil are absorbed by the roots and transported to the leaves by the vessels, which run like pipes throughout the root, the stem. Leaves capture the energy of sunlight with the help of the green pigment present in the leaves, called chlorophyll. This energy is used to synthesize, prepare food from carbon dioxide and water. Since the synthesis of food occurs in the presence of sunlight, it is called photosynthesis. What is a solution? A solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. In a solution, the solvent will be in greater amount, and the solute will be in lesser amount. A crystal of salt, solute, when dissolved in water, solvent, we get the solution of salt and water. Cell theory. The cell theory was formulated by M.J. Schleiden and Theodor Schwann, summarizing the findings of various scientists. It puts forward two main concepts. 1. The body of all organisms is made up of cells. 2. Cells are the structural and functional units of organisms. Golgi apparatus and lysosomes. Its functions include the storage, modification and packaging of products in vesicles. In some cases, complex sugars may be made from simple sugars in the Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus is also involved in the formation of lysosomes. Lysosomes help to keep the cell clean by digesting any foreign material as well as worn-out cell organelles. Eukaryotic cell and prokaryotic cell. Organisms with cells having a nuclear membrane are called eukaryotes. The eukaryotic cells have nuclear membrane as well as membrane-enclosed organelles. Dairy farm management. Dairying is the management of animals for milk and its products for human consumption. Aeroponics. In aeroponics, plants are grown in such a way that their roots grow into air, and nutrients are sprayed directly on roots. Construction of a triangle, SSS. Construct triangle ABC, given that a B equals 9 centimeters, a C equals 5 centimeters, and CB equals 7 centimeters. Congruence. When two figures are congruent, if they look same. When two line segments are congruent, if they have the same length. Increase measures as percent. Increase of measure as percentage. A tree's height increases from 100. Compound interest. Rhombus. The sides of rhombus are all of same length. This is not the case with the kite. A rhombus is a quadrilateral, with sides of equal length. Since the opposite sides of a rhombus have the same length, it is also a parallelogram. So, a rhombus has all the diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular bisectors of one another. Problem on finding area of rhombus. Find the area of a rhombus, whose diagonals are of lengths 10 centimeters and 8.2 centimeters. Solution. Games with numbers. 1. Reversing the digits, two-digit number. A asks B to, first, A asked B to choose a two-digit, then, A told B to add the reverse. After that, A told to divide the answer by bar graph. A bar graph, also called bar chart, is a graphical display of data, using bars of different heights. We can use bar graphs. A bar graph presents grouped data with rectangular bars with lengths proportional to the values that they represent. Solved problem. First, put the data into a table. For that group of students, apples are the most preferred, and grapes are the least preferred. Pictograph. The number of cookies eaten, on each day from Monday to Saturday.